Learn to set up monthly parking fees with GcAnyParking. This POS app not only handles single payments but also offers monthly, quarterly, and yearly plans. Add monthly type. Go to Setting, Car Type Setting. Add monthly. Choose VIP rate. Set price. Activate monthly plan. Select monthly to top up. The system prints a receipt, and the vehicle can exit freely for 1 month. If the admin enters the car as a regular vehicle, when a monthly member's vehicle enters again, the system automatically detects it. The system automatically recognizes it and prints the ticket without charging any fee. Expiry Reminder. The system notifies when the plan expires, and renewal can be done instantly.